Good day, everyone. I am Christine Perlar Cabase, and I will be talking to you the lesson 3 of Language and Humans. And the first topic will be the non-human communication. So non-human communication. This is the way non-human communicates without the use of words. So non-human communication. So basically, it is those who can't use verbally communication with interacting to each other. But it is those animals who interact using non-verbal communication. And now, let's move to their acquisition. Animals communicate differently to others by the use of their body parts or by making sounds. Their manner of communication affects the behavior of the receiver and the sender of the information or message. They acquire their language or communication by interacting with others. Now, let's move to the types of animal communication. There are 4 types of animal communication, and the first one is a chemical communication. It is cited in the book that a pheromone is a secreted chemical signal used to trigger or response in another individual of the same species. Pheromones are especially common among social insects, such as ants and bees. Pheromones may attract the opposite sex, raise an alarm, mark a food trail, or trigger other, more complex behavior. Example for this is an ant. If ants find the way, they used to mark their way on the food so that their co-species will find their way back to the food. Another example for this is the dogs and cats. They use the urine to mark their territories so that if another animals would came, they would know that this already marked as their territory. Now this is the way of their communication. They are using their sense of smell to know and to mark a trail or mark a territory. And the second one is the auditory communication. It is based on sound. It's widely used in the animal kingdom. So basically, from the word itself, auditory. So the use of sound, the use of vocal. So the animals uses sounds to communicate or to send signals when it comes of environmental changes or in everyday happenings. No, like for example, we woke up in the morning. Now we hear the birds chirping. So basically, it is mean that it is already morning. So this is very significant, not just for them but also for us human, that we are being warned or being signaled that it is already morning. The next is the visual communication. It involves signals that can be seen. Examples of these signals include gestures, facial expressions, body postures, and even coloration. Now, as what I put in the illustration, it is a monkey showing a facial expression. Now, it is their way of communicating. Since they can't communicate verbally, they use their actions, hands, face, or even the postures to communicate or to convey message with other animals. And the last one is the tactile communication. It refers to the use of touch as a means to convey messages and meanings. The sense of touch. The animals uses this communication to convey messages, especially when interacting with other animals. So why do we need to learn those types of non-human communication? It is because it helps us understand animal behavior, protect ecosystems, and improve human-animal relationships. It reveals how species interact, signals environmental changes, and even inspires scientific discoveries and new technologies. By studying how animals communicate, we gain valuable insights into nature, language evolution, and ways to live more harmoniously with the world around us. And that's all. Thank you.